Yo, what's up everybody? In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can log in into your Deluxe Payroll account. So follow our step in order to do that, and we'll also teach you guys how you guys can sign up for it, which means how you guys can create an account. So this is a two-in-one video for those people who are new to Deluxe Payroll. So follow the step which I'm going to be showing you. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel, want the step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Let's move on. First step, you want to go to this website called www.deluxe.ca. Once you go to this website, it's going to take you to the official website of Deluxe. So Deluxe is a Canadian website, that's why at the end we had to type .ca, alright? Once you're over here, click on this little person looking icon at the top right corner of your screen. And once you open up, it's going to take you to this page. Over here, there's like multiple types of account. Which account do you want to go to? Your Interlated Express, iWeb, Business, Deluxe Payroll, Promotional Products. So I want to go to Deluxe Payroll, so I'm going to click on it. So wait for some time until the page loads up. Now once you come into application login page, what you need to do is click on where it says accept in order to accept their cookies. And over here, you need to enter your client ID. After you enter your client ID over here, you need to enter the password of your account. After you enter the password of your account, you need to click on log on, and you should be able to log in into your Deluxe Payroll account. And if you forgot the password of your account for some reason, you can always click on forgot password in order to recover the password of your account over here as well. So that's basically how you guys can log in into your Deluxe Payroll account. So hope you guys were able to understand. If you guys did, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. And I'll be seeing you guys on my next video. Until then, bye bye and have a nice day everybody, and peace out.